Alright, you guys, this is it. This is, and I'm going to read the specs off to you before I do anything. Alright, I got this lift, I believe it's out of Texas. And it is a Weaver brand lift. It's Derek Weaver. If you go check out Derek Weaver on Google, it'll pull you right up to where they've got different kinds of lifts. This motorcycle lift is a W1500. The specs on it are 1,500 pound lifting capacity. The overall length is 125 inches. Overall width with side extensions are 51 inches. The overall width out the side extensions is 29.5 inches. The rear drop panel is 17 by 20. Lifting height is 42.5 inches. Lowered height on this lift is 8 inches. Where it's at now, it's 8 inches up off the concrete. Its air power requirement, 100 psi. The steel thickness of this thing is 11 gauge. Table length with the front extension, which I don't know if you can see it over there or not, but I'll show it to you here in a minute, is 100 inches. And the table length without the extension is 88.5 inches. The approach ramp is 25 inches. And everything is powder coated. The shipping weight on this is 755 pounds. And if you order from Derek Weaver's website, they should ship it to you for free. But you'll have to check and see. I've had this lift now for about 1.5 years. And I thought it was time to do a review on it, so that's what we're doing. So let's get this thing up in the air and I'll show you what she does. Alright, turn that noisy thing off. As you can see, she's lifted. You can see what she's made of. Your safety lever lock is here. It engages into these teeth down here so it can't move on you when you got it up on the lift. And it comes with that safety stabilizer bar on the back. And this front extension comes with this lift, which is pretty nice for the fact that if you do like a chopper or a bobber that's got this extended front end, you can still fit that whole back up here on here. I've actually got this track pulled up further than what I should because I'm using the wheel chock that came with it. But it works out fine, so no issues, no problems there. Now let me just take you around. This is the pump. It's air over hydraulics. And it is a lot smoother. It is a lot smoother than just regular air. Air over hydraulics are going to be a smoother function for the lift. And this is your wheel chock. This is the extension table. Comes all the way back to right here. You can take this off, and then you're going to be right here. Here's your tie downs. That goes here for your crash bars. Here to here, both sides. Oh, let me see. And there's your lock right there, and it locks this plate down into these teeth. You can raise it to whatever height you want or need. And this thing lifts up to 42.5 inches high from the ground to here, which is really nice to make it easy to get in here and work on whatever you want to work on, changing all 3 holes or any kind of maintenance. You clean underneath of it, whatever you need to do. If you're interested in this lift, leave me a comment. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to hit that thumbs up. That thumbs up on the video. It does help with the algorithms of YouTube. I call ScrewTube. But anyways, this is her. And this is that's your panel right there to move out. So if you got a 2-wheel bike and you got it up here, you can put it on a jack, raise it up, and you can get that tire right out of there. Which is pretty nice to have. Walk around this side, everything's basically the same. But there you go, right there. There's her phone number if you want to get it. Call them and see. I'll guarantee this lift. I really will. I haven't had a problem with it since I've used it, and I've used it several times in the past 1.5 years. But I'm using a 30-pound industrial air compressor. It's more than enough. I usually use my big one. I got a 60-gallon tank over there, but it's got a little leak in the air right now, so I'm using this one. Anyways, I'm going to let this thing down, and we'll show you how she goes. We got to raise her back up just a little bit to unlock it. That should do it. Oh, got to go up a little bit more. That'll do it. This lever right here works that plate. You can see it's up. So now you can let her down. And you just push on this end right here, and it'll go down for you. So here we go, we're going down. Pretty smooth operation, you guys. I know it's not a cheap lift, but it's a good lift. It's come in handy. Like I said, you got any questions, leave me some comments in the comment section, and I'll try to work with you the best way I can. Until then, peace. See you next time.